In this video, I am going to show you how to fix "this item isn't available in your country" error from Play Store. 1. Go to the official NordVPN or other VPN you want and download the application. Install the app on your device following the on-screen instructions. Next, open the VPN app and log into your VPN account. Browse through the list of available servers locations and select on where the desired app is accessible. For example, if the app is available in the US but not in your country, choose a US server. Next, long tap on the Google Play app on your app drawer and select App Info. Then go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache and confirm the action. Next, return to the Google Play App Store. Use the search bar to find the app you want to download, and once you've found the app, tap on it to open its page. Click on Install button to begin the download and installation process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.